This is bloody amazing. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're going to make a mixed grill breakfast skillet. Stay tuned. Right guys, we've got a selection of meat here today. We've got picanha, which I'm very excited about. It's very popular in Brazil. It's basically a beef cut from the rump. It's the cap on top, and the Brazilians love to use that cut as they push it into a horseshoe on skewers on the open fire. That's something we should look at in the future, but today it's a breakfast skillet. So let me introduce you to my ingredients. The picanha over here, like I mentioned before, we've got some loin lamb chops, bacon, some wors, that's what we call it in South Africa, also known as beef sausage, some button mushrooms, some eggs, tomatoes and onions. We've got some spices, some salt, ground pepper, barbecue spice and mixed herbs, dried mixed herbs. Shall we get to it? Let's do this. As you can see over here, I've already cut the picanhas. I've also trimmed the fatty parts. So it's the fat that actually brings the flavor to this meat. It's a beautiful cut of meat actually. So let me just show you how you would trim. That's what you would do right there. Just a little bit over there. Perfect. Also be sure to cut away from you. Always. Working with sharp knives. Yes, there you go. We're going to spice the loin chops the same way as the picanha. Okay, we've got our salt. Got some black pepper, which in my mind's a must. Barbecue spice and some mixed herbs. Let's do the same on the other side. Our plan today is that we do this whole breakfast in one skillet. So we've got a skillet here. It's seasoned already. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. That should do it. Our breakfast skillet is exactly what it is. It's a mixed grill breakfast skillet. Guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, you like what we're doing here, now's the time. Just hit that button, click that bell so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. You want to render that fat of the lamb chop first. It up. So you want to render the fat of the picanha as well? Yes, that's what we're looking at. Perfect. Let's add that to our mix. Right guys, I think this is ready. It looks good. Have a look there. Now this guys, this is the breakfast of champions. Whenever they say breakfast of champions, this is it. I'm going to give it about 2-3 minutes just to cool down, and then you know how it works, we have to dig in. Guys, it's been about 2 minutes. I should have waited maybe 5, but I just can't wait. Let's dig in. Let's try this out just to show you how everything came out. There's your onions. I'm going to cut that. Look how easy that cuts. That's very good. Here's some bacon. Look there, it actually looks very crispy to me. Yeah. This is the part I've been waiting for, the picanha. Look at that. It's going to be hot, I know that. But somebody's got to try it, eh? Magnifique. Wow. So we know that's a success. I love the fatty bits. Look at that, look how juicy that is. That's a lamb. I think we should take a taste of that. Maybe dip it in the egg as well. Wow. This is delicious. There's our sausage and bacon. A little bit of the green leaf so that we are definitely healthy. That's important, I suppose. This is bloody amazing. Guys, if you like what we're doing here, you know the story, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications. But you know what? We really need your support. We appreciate all of you interacting with us. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you think. Have you tried this before? I can tell you one thing, this is amazing. You should try it out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Cheers. I'm gonna get some more. This is beautiful.